here. Should we make another one over here, Alyssa? Let's do a second one. Okay.
Yeah, that'll work.
And
That'll work. There's the paper. Oh. Guys, just... The rainbow's on the side. I'm doing something.
Bailey, you can put that back.
I'm not ready. Let me see. What is this? I'll tell you. I'm not ready.
Oh, something different's happening with that ramp. That's real stable. It's not going to move, but can you control what's going down it?
Yeah. Watch out. Oh. I'm not ready. Good. How about two? Two going there will be making them push.
Would there be a way to use this?
The
Should we still use this and put this on top of it maybe?
Yeah.
Why don't you try that?
Yeah.
You might, okay, you might need to. Okay, so what do we need to do to make it go all the way across the pathway? Seems to be a problem over here.
Yeah.
What can we do over here? Which direction does the marble want to go? Lily? Well, you want it to go, but what way does it go? Let's watch it. You put it down. That's the problem?
Yep.
Okay.
Lily, your hand this away. Hey, you. It's your turn, Blue.
Did that work when you adjusted it?
I like it to jump.
Okay, you made it jump. Let's see.